Welcome student. Welcome to this course. Here we will be teaching you regarding how to achieve financial freedom or how to grow your wealth even if you are doing a private sector job. It means simply that if you are employed as a private, like you can have executive level, you can be a managerial level, directorial level, whatsoever it is. But the concern is, in our previous courses and our webinars and lessons we get this you know question from all of the students that, okay sir, tell us one thing, that we talk about this investing and each and everything, and we talk about digital marketing and building source and everything, but what about those who love to do jobs, or who are satisfied with their jobs, or maybe who are needed to do a particular job in a private sector in order to run his or her family? So the question came from many of students is that, is it possible to build wealth while doing a normal 9 to 5? Is it really possible to go ahead and create a freedom, not even a freedom, at least a secure life or a secure phase wherein we can have a stable income, we can have a stable wealth, you can consider, or in terms of finance? So the sustainability and the stability must be there even if we are doing job. So that was the question from our students. So this is all about we are going to learn in this course. And let me tell you guys, this is not like some kind of speech or something like that, but everything that is going to teach in we are going to teach you in this particular course, this is going to be with the practical experiences that we did survey. Let me tell you, first of all, it took 1.5 years for us to go ahead and build this course. Not because that we are the best or something like that, but because we need to understand that actually what is the problem in today's society, where people, maybe doing their job, but that only reflects to their, paying bills and living in a paycheck to paycheck, and that's how it is. But is there any out of the box theory or a discipline that we can pursue in our life in order to achieve this stability in our life while doing a 9 to 5? So, well, to be frank, guys, yes, it is possible. It is possible that you can build wealth, you can be freedom, like you can get freedom, you can be free, you can also have a certain amount of stability and sustainability in your career and the job life, and as well as finance. So whatever we will be talking here about, that will be purely based on structural data. When I say structural, I mean whatever we have collected from the practical for every class of people that we have did a survey, and then after that we came to these conclusions, that how is it possible, what are the challenges, what basically the major concerns of those people who are unable to do so, and is it a dogma, is it a myth that only people who start some kind of business or a self-employed or a investor can only build wealth? So this is a bit complex topic that nobody has talked yet. But definitely, based upon the surveys, based upon the data we have collected so far, we are going to reveal the discipline that is needed, the formula that is needed in order to build wealth, even without quitting your 9 to 5. So many of us today we have, like, wherein we love our job, we love basically what we do. So somebody can be from the finance sector, somebody can be from the IT sector, somebody can be from some manufacturing sectors, or energy, or medical, healthcare, marketing, sales, any sort of sectors or industry that we. So basically here we all love doing our jobs. So I'm here not talking about that you are doing a particular job where you not get any kind of enthusiasm, any kind of excitement to work on whatever the topics or the industry that you are catering to. You're not interested doing the things that you are doing on a 9 to 5. So see, there's a difference here. We are purely going to talk about those who love what they do, who love their 9 to 5, and still just, stuck in a rat race, in a kind of belief system over there that we are doing a 9 to 5, and that's how the influencer today in the YouTubes and there's blogs, the people tell you that okay, if you do 9 to 5, you're dead, you're nothing, you are valueless person. However, let me tell you that's not the actual case. Okay, I can give you the list of at least 50 to 100 people in my knowledge, those who are doing the 9 to 5 in some different industries and are wealthy. So they don't want to quit even their job because they love what they do, right? So that is the main concern over here. We have to that whatever I'm going to implement in this course, whatever I'm going to teach you in this course, this particularly will be applicable only and only if you love your 9 to 5, or you don't have at least any problem doing 9 to 5, right? So before we move ahead to that, we need to understand that not all of us are made for business, or that much have a creativity, or being some kind of so-called influencer or YouTuber, something like that. It can be as simple as doing a 9 to 5 and doing what we love. It can be related to. So personally, if I tell about myself, I am a tech lover. I love tech. Okay, I'm a techie person, and I love working and involving with the technologies and everything. So for me, when I do something in my job, when I do it, like it can be anything, hardware networking, it can be as simple as programming, it can be software testing, it can be a network administrator, or whatsoever the industry that you are serving, or marketing or sales. See, first we need to understand that everybody says quit your 9 to 5. You may have a hell lot of reels and videos and everything's bang on the social media just to say quit your 9 to 5, do this and quit your 9 to 5. Guys, be aware of that. You don't need to do anything such of that, because first of all you need to respect whatever job you are doing, or whatever the position that you are right now, are bringing food to your tables, bringing bread and butter to your tables and your families. So you're doing great. So don't need to be underconfident, or maybe being a negative influence regarding this topic that we need to quit our 9 to 5 job. Now see, just for an example, just have this imagination. If everybody is in the world are a businessman, or a self-employed, and tell me who the hell gonna work for them? Is there somebody who is going to work for them? Because unfortunately then there will be more owner but will be less employees, right? So who are going to fulfill those demands? So before we move ahead with the course and the lessons and the very aspects of the course, first we need to understand that 9 to 5 is not a crime. Yes, how you are going to make it thrill, that is going to be the most exciting part of your life. Okay, so the topic, the course is around how to create wealth, freedom, or stability, a certain amount of stability, right? So we belongs to different religions, country, and we do have different cultural beliefs. Now based on that, we have some beliefs within ourselves that okay, if I am in this position, or maybe if I started to own this and that money, then probably that will be considered as successful, or maybe a stable life for me. That could be possible, right? So here we are going to do the same thing, that we are first of all need to categorize I need to have a clear approach that when we say that I am going to be a super successful, first of all, this is a myth, but again, let's be some a bit of materialistic and think about it. If I say that okay, I need a retirement at the age of 40, or I need at least a freedom that I don't force to go to the work, uh, only the exchange of these bills, correct? So what I am basically going to do, that will not make me billionaire millionaire, because today influencers are only talking about how to be millionaires and billionaires. Here I'm not going to give you any magic broom, guys. It's very simple. How much I need needs to be very clear. Okay, so whether you are 35, 40, 55 or 18, doesn't matter. But when I say that okay, I need wealth, I need money, I need something, I need this, I need that, then we also need to give it to a particular figure or a number, that how much is sufficient for me. Now, if you personally ask me, then I think I will never say that okay, this much is, but we need to understand the fact that it's not like saying that okay, I need hell lot of wealth. Now what does this hell lot of means? And because you need a hell lot of wealth, you need to do hell lot of things. And just because you need to do hell lot of things, you won't even start. Yeah, that's the current picture of this generation. So you have to understand, when you say that I need money, I need wealth, I need freedom, I need stability, then what does that define you as a person? Now for me, stability can be different thing. For you it could be different. For other people it could be different. So first you need, now say for an example, if you're married, you have kids, you have wife, correct? So the priority that you will have being a single and after being married and having kids will be totally different, right? Because the priority will change, and priority change as we grow. So first we need to define that okay, we need to sit with a pen and paper, we need to make out our list, and then we can proceed. So this is all about that we are going to discuss throughout this course, how to do this, what are the practical ways, not only theoretically, what are the practical ways to achieve it. Okay, so till then, stay to the course and watch out the next video to understand, start with the course. Thank you.